The Maldives is the epitome of luxury in nature. Maldives are known as the tropical paradise for a lot of reasons, such as its beauty, awesome shorelines, and of course coral reefs. There are some fun facts about the Maldives. The Maldives has equatorial sunlight, so please be aware of the sun when you travel. It is located close to the equator and receive a high amount of sun rays, almost direct. They strike at a 90-degree angle. The Maldives are one of the few places on earth where whale sharks can be encountered all around the year. It has official sanctuaries with 3 places along with the archipelago. The shapes of the sandbanks and some of the islands have been modified by nature. With seasonal currents, the sand is moved and brought back forward, resulting in the shape change of an island. It is believed that the Maldives is the reminiscence of series of sunken volcanoes formed around 60 million years ago. The Maldives has a world record. It is the lowest country on the plain with an average of only 1.5 meters above the sea level. Maldives has a mix of civilization. You see Indian, African, European and Asian. You see the Maldivian flag clearly. You'll see green for the peace and the national coconut tree, a white for the crescent for Islam, red for the blood of their fights for their independence. The coconut trees are the only shades to Maldivians. They can grow up to 30 meters high and they live up around 100 years. The wood is super solid and it is used for making boats. The traditional boats dhoni you find among us in Maldives, they are the traditional Maldivian boats and they're inspired by the ancient dhow. Do you know that the Maldivian coins and money in ancient times were used as sea shells? Cowrie shells can be found in the Maldives in millions and were used as money in medieval times. The architecture of Maldivian houses is built in corals. You can see many in Mani today, but today they are prohibited as the coral reefs are the endangered ones. If you happen to be in Maldives, do not forget to enjoy the traditional music, which is Bodu Beru. This music would remind you of the relations of Maldives with East Africa centuries ago. The local perceive this music as transcendental. Maldives has approximately 1,200 islands, out of which 200 are populated, 800 are still inhabited, around 200 are hotels and resorts. The rest are used for different utilities like airport, agriculture, parks, etc. Smallest island in the Maldives is barely 6 kilometers. That's the smallest in the world. A fact about the dhoni boats crews and the captains is that they still do not use GPS or compass to navigate across the islands. They find their ways throughout the coral labyrinths. On the clear nights, one can witness the moves of the lagoon surface as well. Remember that feeding fishes during snorkeling in the Maldives or elsewhere in the world is harmful to them. So please do not attempt this anywhere you go. Our food is not adaptive to their digestive systems, so no bread. The sea is not a bakery. Do you also know that parrotfishes are huge contributors to the beauty of Maldives beaches? Yes, their fine coral sand is the result of undigested corals which they eat. Some research estimates that an adult parrotfish can produce around 1 ton of sand per year. The Maldive Islands are of coralline origins. Their miraculous sand is white and enormously fine. Coralline beaches are very rare. They represent less than 5% of the world beaches. The rest of them are mostly made of quartz. So these were few of the fun facts about Maldives. I hope you guys liked it. To do so, wait for my fun fact series about different destinations in the world. And do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell button. Also, comment below from where are you watching this. It's always great to know. Plus, also let me know which other fun facts you wanted to know. And be safe because currently the situations are not that great to travel. Keep smiling. Ciao.